Our top focus this morning is on all the updates coming in from the state of Bengal. It's witnessed a massive showdown after an attack on BJP President JP Nadda's convoy yesterday. The Ministry of Home Affairs has now sought a report from Governor Jagdeep Dhankar on the attacks on Nadda as well as the state BJP in charge Kailash Vijayvargiya. Bengal's DGP and the Chief Secretary also have been asked to submit a report on Thursday's incident to the centre. Sharpening its attack on the Mamata government, BJP leader said that the attack reflects the state of lawlessness in Bengal. Hitting back on these accusations, Mamata said that all of this was nothing but BJP's publicity stunt to hog the limelight. Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar, meanwhile, has slammed the alleged non-responsive stance of the state government and the police. The governor will be addressing the media today at 12 p.m. over this incident. Furious over the attack against their leader, BJP workers in several parts of India took to the streets to protest.
Vehicles attacked. Windshields broken. Lathis raining. Chaos and complete pandemonium. Protesters blocking roads advanced menacingly, pounced on the convoy of BJP President JP Nadda with bricks and batons. Nadda was attacked while on the way to Diamond Harbour in Kolkata, a seat represented by Mamata Banerjee's nephew Abhishek Banerjee in the Lok Sabha.
जो आने में मुझे दृश्य देखने को मिला वो इस बात को बताता है कि ममता जी के राज में बंगाल अराजकता का पर्यायवाची बन चुका है, असहिष्णुता का पर्यायवाची बन चुका है। टीएमसी के कार्यकर्ताओं ने और उनके गुंडों ने कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी थी प्रजातंत्र के गले को दबाने के लिए, उसको समाप्त करने के लिए कि ये गुंडा राज, ये अराजकतावाद ये ज्यादा दिन नहीं चलने वाला है। Mamata ji, आपकी सरकार जाने वाली है।
I'll give you an idea on what exactly happened in the vehicles in the convoy. Now, these are a few vehicles that were there in the convoy and were damaged massively. From the shards of glass that you would see inside the vehicle and the damage that it has done. Several leaders, including the BJP National President, JP Nadda was in this convoy, who was escorted out, and even the West Bengal in charge, Kailash Vijayvargiya, and Vice President, National Vice President of Party, Mukul Roy, was also there.
BJP's Bengal in charge, Kailash Vijayvargiya's convoy too was attacked. Stones were pelted on his car, cracking the windshield.
उन्होंने एकदम नड्डा जी की गाड़ी पे हमला किया। उनकी बुलेट प्रूफ गाड़ी थी तो उनको तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, बाकी हमारी गाड़ी पूरी तोड़ दी। आगे पीछे से हमारे ड्राइवर भी घायल हुआ, हमारी सिक्योरिटी के लोग भी घायल हुए और मुझे भी चोट आई है। और टारगेट करके नाम ले लेके वो लोग चिल्ला के गालियाँ दे रहे थे और पथराव कर रहे थे। और शर्म की बात है कि पुलिस अधिकारी वहीं खड़े थे।
Men holding TMC flags also clashed with BJP workers on the road, while the police made a meek attempt to contain the situation.
कानून व्यवस्था पूरा चरमरा गई है और इसीलिए बार-बार 356 जारी की लोगों की दावा बढ़ रही है। मैंने कल होम मिनिस्टर को चिट्ठी लिखा था कि माननीय नड्डा जी का जो सुरक्षा व्यवस्था उसमें काफ़ी चूक हुई है। राज्य सरकार की तरफ से कोई सहयोग नहीं था, पुलिस नहीं था, कहीं पर पुलिस था भी तो उनके सामने सारा उत्पात किया गया है।
The Trinamool Congress, however, accused the BJP of intentionally provoking and attempting to malign the state government.
কোথায় কোথায় আবার বলছে আমরা নাকি গুন্ডামি করছি। আজকে বিজেপির জেপি নাড্ডা এসে ডায়মন্ড হারবারে গিয়ে গাড্ডায় পড়েছে। তা আমি কি করতে পারি? সাধারণ মানুষের ক্ষোভের বহিঃপ্রকাশের দায়িত্ব তো আমার নয়।
Union Home Minister Amit Shah has sought a report from the Bengal government on the attacks on the BJP leaders. The disturbing scenes don't augur well for the high-octane campaign for the assembly elections next year. With Indrajit Kundu and Manogya Loiwal, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.